chang ka kan zirani last class khan mo okay in video khan on chang line mail na to oh listen to me. Last time we learned leaves. We learned different types of leaves. In the last class, we learned different types of leaves. Last class, in leaves. Na shang kanjira in the sha mango leaf, te papaya, te lotus, te joining coconut, te veltica. Oh, okay. Have you done your homework? Last class, I have given you homework. Okay, all of you, show me your homework. In homework, show me your homework. I want to see your homework. Okay, in the last class, I have given you homework. Have you done it? Have you done it? In homework, in homework, show me your homework, all of you. Show me your homework. Okay, show me your homework. Can you hear my voice? Okay, then. Okay, if you then show me your in homework in homework in homework can you show me your homework? Okay, those who have done your homework, show me homework. Come on.
Miss.
Yes.
We go to do class.
Okay. Flowers. Page number 10. We are going to learn different types of flowers. Okay. Page number 10. F. Look. Chapter 6 6 na kanzir to don. F. L. S. Flowers. Flowers. Yes. Party na flowers kanzira. Oh, we are going to learn different types of flowers. F. Flowers. Flowers. Okay. The first flower is marigold. Okay, this is marigold. Marigold. Hey, there can par law ni tani. Oh, pang par si siyang hay in bulve natin pang par si siyang chino ni tiro. It is yellow, orange, color. MARIGOLD, marigold. Okay. And the marigold. Okay. Marigold. And the next one is Dahlia. Yes. Again, Dahlia. Oh, Dahlia. Oh. Again, Dahlia. Repeat after me. Dahlia. Dahlia. Oh, Dahlia. Oh. Dahlia. Oh, Dahlia anti parang chikani. Oh, hey, a purple color wrong. Oh, Dahlia anti tani. So the next one is SUNFLOWER, sunflower. Sunflower. Yes. It's yellow. Sunflower. Okay. Say sunflower. Sunflower. Repeat after. Yes, very good. Good girls in Felchin. Sunflower. Sunflower. Yes. Okay. The next one is, what is this? It is red in color. Yes. Rose. Rose. Don't say S-E. S-E. We are going to read it again.
Microphone muting là chung sao thì mấy
mute your microphone. In microphone ka mute lock de ule. In ka so in shelo chin. In microphone ka lo mute vek ro lem. In mute them. In mute vek em. Heta in metanga in mute ang. Oh, I want to see your face. Yes. In microphone ka lo mute lock ro ka chia le lo ka nga bula chang in. Oh. Hey. MARIGOLD, marigold. There can be marigold. And the next one is DAHLIA, dahlia. Dahlia. Okay. And the next one is SUNFLOWER, sunflower. Sunflower. And the next one is ROSE, rose. Have you seen rose? Rose in huto and row tilted rose. Yes, I'm going to show you this. I have red rose. This one. Okay, this is a rose. Hey, rose para ni ataka po moy ni rose para to David aka screen low present lot. Screen ka present low to. Oh, okay. This is a rose. Hey, rose. Oh, heta at na oma. Hey, a parson vet ni. One. And the next one is, look at your book again. TULIP. Tulip. Yes. Tulip. Okay. Tulip. Oh, it's a tulip. Tulip nila tulip. Oh. Tulip. Defect in vine. Tulip. Yes. Okay. Very good. Dave, you want to something your screen again. Dave, screen allow present let you know. Be careful, okay? Screen ka present allow to China. TULIP, tulip. Again, tulip. Tulip. Yes. Tulip. Engtinge o mapar and row. What is this? What color is this? It's yellow. Tulip. Yes. Oh, the next one is DAISY, daisy. Say daisy. Daisy. Y ti lau tur. Y ti thak lau tur. Y ti tur. Oh, say Y. DAISY, daisy. SY. Y yun ilaw. Y ti lau tur. DAISY, daisy. S Y in thì là chín S Y ôm lầu D A I S Y Daisy thì tụi Y thì là Y D A I S Y Daisy. Okay. Okay, all of you stand up. All of you stand up. Stand up. Raise up your hands. Raise up your hands. Oh, exercise kan la le lo kang tiyan. And stretch your arms. Exercise kan la lo kang le. All of you stand up. Yes. Tiyan. Oh. Yes. Okay. Jump. Jump 5 times. Boy nga kan jump lang. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Sit down. And the next one is, what's this? Lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. L-O-T-U-S. T-U-S. Lotus. Okay, lotus. Okay. Lotus. It is pink. Pink in color. Pink. Wrong ani. It's pink. Pink. Ascendang. And the next one is, it's white in color. It's white in color. Amoyra ulit, okay? And go on next one ka. J-A-S. Jasmine. Okay, it's a jasmine. Jasmine parin siya to M. Jasmine. Jasmine ani ko. Jasmine. It's a jasmine. Jasmine. Say after me. Jasmine. 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 Okay. And the last one is, the last two, L-I-L-Y, Lily. L-I-L-Y, Lily. L-Y, Lily. Tụi Y thì là chuyện ka. Y ôm lầu. L-I-L-Y, Lily. Okay, it's Lily. L-I-L-Y, Lily. Lily ini tu. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Amoy em ani Lily ka. Lily parts moy lutuk in buto em. Have you seen?
No.
Look, hey, pangpar kalaw na kanay how he. This is pink. This is pink in color. Hey, pangpar. And this is, what color is this? What color is this? Yes, very good. And what color is this?
Red.
Yes, it's red. And this one? Hey, engrong yun
Pink.
Yes, pink. Tawani. Row. And hey, pangpar tak. This one, what color is this? Pink. Yes, it's pink. Pink. Wait, kadle. Kasoizo zela. Repeat after me. Kasoizo rualin in stoizelang. Marigold. Tirule.
Marigold.
Dahlia. Dahlia. Sunflower.
Sunflower.
Rose.
Tulip.
Tulip. Yeah. Daisy. Daisy. Daisy.
Daisy.
Lotus. Lotus. Jasmine. Lily. Yes. Now, take out your pencil. Take out your pencil. We are going to underline the important words again. Take out your pencil. Can underline le nga poy mo to how in homework to teka in lauzia to teka can underline le lokong the next one will be the first one will be marigold ka underline raulam marigold marigold marigold. Have you underlined it? Yeah. And the next one will be dahlia. 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 Underline them. Yes or no? Underline them. Marigold and dahlia. Have you finished? Okay, have you finished?
No.
Yes, the next one will be rose. Rose. Underline rose. Underline rose. 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 Underline it. Yes. And the next one will be tulip. Tulip. Okay, tulip. 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 Have you underlined it?
Tulip.
Who said P? P in the line. tulip. Tulip. And the last one will be lily. 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 Okay, 5 can underline. We are underlining 5 flowers. Panga can underline ka sway chale ang marigold. The first one is marigold. The second one is dahlia. The third one is rose. The fourth one is tulip. And the fifth one is lily. Okay, we are underlining 5 flowers. Okay, can you read this? In read, yeah, ma'am. Say marigold. Tirule.
Marigold.
Dahlia.
Dahlia.
Rose. Rose. Tulip. Tulip. Lily. Yes. Today we learn different types of flowers. These are my flowers, okay? Hey, kapang party hi. Ti siyang trang kalawking venya. Oh, hey, pangpar. Ay, kanay ang hikaron kalek koma. Imo na kinachuanin. Pangpar ka zong man lawa chubang chunya mo. Katwai katsale zoi ang flowers are of different color, shape and size. Pangparte hi rong chi shang an oma. Mo an pian mang hi chi shang an ya achen pangpar lian puiten online achen tereu teten omani pangpar hi khovela atam lutuk. Mo pangpar chi shang pathian khan pangpar hi chi shang in siamani achen arong asente mo asendang te orange color te a eng te avar te mo tikan lili te po avar asente o mani avar te o mo papatian yan pangpar te siam mo niya o han clear vel ula pangpar huan te chu amoy mani tiro chuan the rose is the queen of all flowers. Rose hi mo pangpar zinga chuan pangpar chi shang zinga kan rose hi pangpar lal nuan lo ti chu ni tani rose hi pangpar zinga chuan lal nu ti a mingan lo ko kha lo ni tani achan chu annal amoy wangin mo chuan the next one is many flowers give out sweet smell. Pangpar chi shang te ka han him den ula anri matui ani mo pangpar te khan ri matui chin amani perfume te po in lo in kap ta perfume in man lai te kha pangpar changa siam te khan ya o pangpar chang te khan an siama chuan khwai te hian pangpar zu te khan ta na ti khan mo azu te kha thum tak ka khwai te khan an bom chin ani pangpar te kha an rim tui wang khan han nim wang ula rose te khan nim chin hey kan nim chin ang ka rose par yo arim tui lutuk. I rose te ka han ni mula arim tui ni pangpar te ka mo. So a sunflower also faces the sun and gives us oil for cooking. So sunflower to and rose sunflower hin ni hoi paran ti ka ni tani. Ni hoi zong lirin a chow chi na ni. Mo sunflower muna kalta mula ni hoi zong nir khan a par kha ni kha ahan. Ni lampang ni kha han hoi chap zel me ni chumo chuan ni hoi chi te point 8 chin tiro u ni hoi chi te kha a 8 thea tui ma chuan ni hoi a chang khanin sa sia kan la chu cho me kan nan te rong bol nan te an mang chin ani ni hoi para changkhan sasyak te lak chwa the ni chu and the last one is lotus is our national flower. Lotus si in sha ti ro hey kan zir to kha a pink color hi mo tu ye tro chi ni lotus hi chu hey hi kan national flower ni India rama kan ta India mo kan national flower ti zia chu kan ram pangpar kan ram chin chian pangpar kha lotus si ani hey shat ve me tur hey hi this is lotus is our national flower. Okay, kan underline how kapanga ni tani from there kata changkhanin homework ka pele lock don se wani in homework te kha listen in homework te kha nakina tuna chon submit ngai kher lawani school local le huna file la in ronda thapanga file la kan lo chekang in homework zia reng kha file la in da thapanga dule in pot thanga a page kha in pot thanga file la uluk de in lo da chin don ya homework ka pek reng chau hi in cha em school kal huna submit tur ani wangin today I am going to give you homework again vo ina homework ka pele don chewa ina in lo zia kang can underline look ang today I am going to give you homework again in lo zia tur chu
no homework
I am going to give you homework again. Okay,
homework chapter malampang kanin law kumain le
homework chapter malampang mo leave sa khan mo zia tur ka ti kha zia tur ka ti kha NEEM nim ti khain hu em nim NEEM nim le mo GREEN green ti kha homework tur ani chu leaves chapter a bi khan nim and green what and mo
ama le zia chapter ka na ti ya
ama mi khain la ti lo vek ti na mi homework katikan zia tur kha ka pezela mo leaf sa kha chuan nim le green kha ni ta ni chu chuan chapter 4 hi chuan ka pelota 7 a khanin more trees page number 7 kain huem apple le banana ti kha apple le banana ti kha lo zia tir mai ru apple le banana chuan mo number 6 page number 6 na khan kan soilenga bean le bean bean ti le peap ti kha ziat le tur bean le p ti ka abak chu kha son khani pot ro che voina kan homework tu chu mo voina kan homework tu chu karon zia kang ka entir don chewa ina in lo zia kang vai chuan ni lawanga ma se ina in lo zia I'm going to show you. This is for your homework. MARIGOLD, marigold. This will be your homework. You will write page katayin lau ziak zo liang. MARIGOLD, marigold, and ROSE, rose. Have you seen rose?
Yes.
Marigold and rose. 3 ka pe don seo pathum and ka pe le lok don seo homework hi mo page khatin lo ziak zelang TULIP, tulip pathum ani chu you are going to have 3 homeworks pathum zia tur I'm going to repeat it again. The first one is marigold, MARIGOLD, marigold. The second one is ROSE, rose. And the third one will be TULIP, tulip. Okay, this will be your homework. Tulip. Kan underline na changkhan pathum in homework don ti na ni chu. Me in lo zia tur ho zong chu ka soi le ang marigold le rose and tulip tungela shelo in la mem homework ka zia tur homework shelo ka tungela Raise up your hands. I will tell you again. Oh.
English page number 11 mi kha apple le thana dai sai yum ja
khoi mo ai kha ka chu mo heta a hlui zo kha min ron zo ta apple le banana kha chu page number 7 na mi zo kha lom homework min ron zo wang khan midangin ma homework min lo zo wang khan ka soi oh 11 chu kan la ti lo shim chitiang em oh voi na kan homework tur zong chu ka ti soi chaleang MARIGOLD marigold. Roast and TULIP tulip. Okay. Tulip. Yes, 3. Your homework is 3 to write down 3. Okay. That's all for today. That's all for today. Kazong ka. Oh.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay.
Bye. Bye. Bye.